this video I will show you how to sign out of YouTube application 2022. The first thing, as you want to get into that file selection, it is to tap on your profile icon on the right upper side, and as you get right here you can find out all these selections which are related on your site. And as you go on add account, you can add it, and then you can simply take over or get that signing out session from your site selection, or simply as you get back you can go right there and go manage your Google account, or simply click right here, and as you get on that selection, if you tap on the another site selection, you can simply log out from there. Also, the next option is to go manage your Google account, and as you get right there you're going to be available to get and log out from your site selection, or simply sign out as you see it on your site screen. Go for data and privacy or security system, and right from here you can check it over and go simply manage all devices and get that real setup for simply getting and taking off or signing out from your site selection. As you go from here you can also check it off that selection and get to the main point.